Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. So in today's video we are gonna see what are operators. So in the operators, firstly we are gonna see arithmetic operators. So to firstly explain the arithmetic operator, let's see what are the operators. So operators are symbols that perform operations on values or variable. So operators are basically used to perform the operations on values and variables. Like you can perform different types of operation on the variables and values. So firstly you can perform arithmetic operators. So what are arithmetic operators? These are used to perform mathematical operations. Like you can perform mathematical operations on the values and variables. So these are the operators in the arithmetic operators which are we used in JavaScript. So firstly, this is the additional operator, addition operator, sorry. Addition operator is used basically to add two numbers, and second one is subtraction. So this is used to minus the two numbers. Third one is the multiplication, which we are used to multiply the two numbers or two values. Basically, if you are using the arithmetic operators, these you can use only on the numbers. So fourth one is division. So we can divide two numbers, and in fifth number we can see the modulus. Modulus is basically used to see the remainder which we are getting after dividing the two numbers. So after that, this is the exponential operator. So exponential operator is basically is like this. Like first value like here is 10. 10 is the base and 2 is the exponent. So basically what is the meaning of this? Like the first variable 10 is the base, so 10 is the base base of that on which we are going to perform the exponential. So and the 2 is which telling us like how many times we are going to multiply the number by itself. Like here I am multiplying the 10 to the 2, then we will get 100. So basically we are multiplying 10 to 10. So I will show you in the practical so you can see more, you can understand this more. So after that we can use increment operator. So increment operator is basically that which can increase the value, and decrement operator is used to decrement the value. Like we can decrement a value. So let's see first the practical of these. So firstly let's see the arithmetic operators, additional operator, addition operator, sorry. So firstly let's define the value of two variables. So if I'm gonna want to see the addition of these, so I'm gonna just write document dot write, and I will add here the variable a plus b. So after saving this, we can see the value of these in our browser. So you can see 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So now if I'm gonna use document dot write a minus b, so this is equal to minus 10. So let's firstly just add some spacing here. So 2 you can see more properly. So I'm just gonna add a BR here. So you can see we are getting minus 10 because we are minus the A minus B, and value of B is greater than the A. So that is why we are getting minus 10 here. So after that, we are seeing the multiplication operator. So you can also multiply the two variables here. You can also perform these on the directly, like value here. If I am multiplying 10 to 30, so you can see 300. Uh, let's just add the again. So yes, you can see here the, oh, I just don't save it. Yes, you can see here the 300, and after that you can see the division 1. So if I'm just dividing the A with 2, so we are gonna see 0.5. So for someone, like I just use like this. So you can see here, by dividing the B divided by A, we are getting 2. So after this one, we are having the operator, exponential operator. So you can also use exponential operator like the combination of a variable and a number. So let's see what we are going to see here. So you can see we are getting the value of here 100. So basically the exponential operator is working like this. If I'm going to show, giving here value of 2, so it will multiply 10 by 10. So it will give us 100. So if I'm giving here the value 3, so what do you think the value? So we are getting 1000 because it will multiply 10 by 10 two times. So after this we are getting 1000. So we are also having one operator which is modulus operator. So modulus operator is like this. If I am just dividing B by A, so we are getting here, I always forget to add the BR here. So you can see here we are getting, oh sorry, I'm just adding the divide of divide one. Let's add the modulus. So you can see here 0 because if I'm dividing the 20 by 10, so we are just getting the remainder as 0. So let's see if I'm just giving here any another number, like I will divide the B by 6. So we are getting here 2. Why? Because if I am just dividing here 20 by 6, so on the dividing 20 by 6, it will divide by 3, like on the here it will working like this. 6 uh 6 multiplied by 3, so we will get 18. And if we are dividing this with the 18, so basically I am just subtracting the 20 by 18, then we will get the remainder as 2. So that is why we are getting here the value of 2. So after that we can also use increment and decrement operators. So increment operator will increase the value of the variable here. So you can see we are just getting here 10. Why we are getting here 10? Because we are adding the increment in the post part. So basically we are not incrementing the value like this. This is used as you can say we are incrementing the value first, then we are showing the value of the a. So now if I am showing you, we are getting here the 11. So if I'm using the increment operator like this, so it will firstly showing me the value and then it will increase the value. So if I'm just printing the value of a here again, so firstly let's add br. So we are not getting any issue in the visualization. So if I'm just printing here the value of a, now you can see we are getting the value as 11. So this is one operator is left here, which is decrement operator. So decrement operator is also work like increment one. So I've just decrement the value here. So you can still see here the value. Let's just comment all these firstly. So you can see here the value as 10 because it is firstly showing the value and then it will decrement the value. So if I'm using the decrement operator here for the a, then we will get the 9 because this will decrement value first and then it will show the values to us. So yeah, that is it for the today's video. So I hope you have understand all the arithmetic operators in the JavaScript. If you have any question regarding these, please uh, write your comment in the comment section. So I will definitely give you response on that. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe my channel for more tutorials, and please share this video to someone who is want the tutorials like these. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.